Hi, this is Polyben Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting topic of English grammar. Today, I am going to teach you the sentence. What is a sentence? How a sentence is made? And what are the different kinds of sentences? So, let's see what is a sentence. You all can see certain words popping up on the screen. What are they? Let's see. Corner little sat in Jack a Horner. Do these words make any sense? No, they do not make any sense. Then what should we do? When these words are arranged in a proper way, they give a complete sense. Can they? Let's see. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Now all those words which we saw just before this are now arranged in a proper way, and then it becomes a complete meaningful sentence. So a group of words like this which makes complete sense is called a sentence. So this is a sentence. Let's see how different types of sentences are made and what are the different kinds of sentences. So before I start with different kinds of sentences, let me just tell you first that there are 4 different kinds of sentences. Let's see what are they. So here we all can see certain words are popping up on the screen. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It's a sentence because it gives a complete meaning. But what type of sentence is it? Let's see. Now, if we read Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, we all can see that this sentence, it actually is making a statement or assertion. So, this is one type of sentence. What do we call it? That I will tell you later on. Let's see the second type of sentence, the sentence which ends with a question mark. Where do you live? Now this seems that somebody is asking something. So this type of sentence is actually a type of sentence where the speaker asks questions. Let's see the third category. In the third type, we see this type of sentence, be quiet or have mercy upon us. These are the 2 examples which I have taken. In this category, you can see that the speaker is either commanding or requesting. So what happens in such type of sentences? These sentences, they express commands, they request, or they also express entreaties. Now let's see the fourth type. The example of fourth type of sentence is, see, the words are coming out on the screen. How cold the night is. It ends with a special type of punctuation mark, and that is called exclamation mark. Another example of this. What a shame. Again, it ends with a exclamation mark. Now, these 2 types of sentences, what do? They actually express the strong feelings of the speaker. So, in short, there are 4 types of sentences which we all have seen through these examples. Now, let's see what these 4 types of sentences are called. The types of sentences. The first one, a sentence which was making a statement or assertion, as we saw in the previous slide, is actually called a declarative or an assertive sentence. The second one, where we saw the speaker is asking question, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The third one, where we saw the speaker was actually expressing a command or an entreaty or a request. A sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty is called an imperative sentence. Let's see the fourth one. The fourth one says a sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Now these are the four different types of sentences. Now let's see, understand all these types of sentences by doing certain exercise. What we have to do, we will get certain sentences and we have to identify which type of sentence it is, whether it is a declarative sentence or an imperative sentence or interrogative or just an exclamatory sentence. The first one given is Ram walks to his office. Yes, you are right. This type of sentence is actually the declarative sentence, or we can call it an assertive sentence. The second example, are you coming tonight? Yes, with a mark at the end, question mark at the end, we can identify this type of sentence as an interrogative sentence. Now the third one, please open the window. Which category this sentence fall in? This is called an imperative sentence. Now let's see the fourth sentence. How beautiful the scene is. It ends with an exclamation mark, and we call this type of sentence as an exclamatory sentence. Now the fifth one. If we see this fifth one, hooray, we have won the match. Again, an exclamatory mark is given in the sentence, and so this is also called as an exclamatory sentence. Let's see few more examples. The next one is, alas, he is dead. This is again an exclamatory sentence. The next sentence is, please show me your slides. With the word like please in the sentence, it comes in the category of imperative sentence. We have another sentence, would you like to have tea or coffee? Again, it's a question, so it comes in the category of interrogative sentence. Then we have Ravi is a gentleman. It's a plain ordinary assertive sentence, so we call it as declarative or assertive sentence. And we have the last one in this exercise is Lalit works very hard. And which type of sentence is it? Yes, you are right. It's a declarative or an assertive sentence. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeaches, and wait for the next video. Till I bring next video, bye bye.